Want more comments on your Instagram post? Comments are the only way for you to know if you have an engaged follower, because when your followers comment on your post, it means that they are comfortable communicating with you. But what if they are not commenting? What are you doing wrong? Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 4 tips on how to get comments on your post. Okay, my tips aren't exactly tips, they are questions to guide you, and my explanation will help you to make changes on your Instagram page. The first question is, do your followers know you? Do they know who is behind the business? Who is behind the brand? Do they know who you are? Do they know your name? Do they know the person who's updating the page? You might think that it's not important for your followers to know who exactly is behind the page, but we cannot deny that humans interact with humans way better. When your followers know who is behind the account, you're showing friendliness and that you are approachable. These are reasons why your followers would follow you on Instagram, because they know who they are talking to. The next question is, do your followers know what you do or what you sell? Does your page have the right keywords on your bio? Is your profile clear? Is it easy for them to know what you do and what you sell? If this isn't clear, your followers might not stick around because they are confused with what you do or what you sell. And if they find no reason to follow you, they might consider to unfollow you because you don't have what they need. Even if you are not selling anything, have something in your bio for your followers to look forward to or expect to see what you have in the future. The next question is, have you comment on their Instagram story? If you find it weird to engage with your followers via their posting on the feed, you can always DM or comment on their Instagram story. That way it's hidden and nobody knows that you are interacting with one another. What you can do is to leave a like or a comment on the IG stories to strike a conversation. But please don't be a creep and like every single one of their Instagram stories. Be reminded that nowadays people like to interact with businesses who are genuine in their conversations. A big tip is do not converse to sell. Converse to build a long-term relationship. If you want more tips on how to optimize your bio and have the best looking business page, I have a complete Instagram checklist linked in my bio. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up so that I can create similar videos like this. See you in my next video. And if they find no reason to follow you, they might consider to unfollow you because they find that there is no need for them to continue following you. What?